Okay, let's start with question 21 about the order of operations. Inside the square bracket, we have a 37 minus 4 plus 6 with parentheses, and then plus 2. Well, divided. I have to change that. So 2 divided by 2. Okay. And then square bracket. Subtract square bracket 1 plus 9 divided by 3. Okay. Let me erase those dots. Okay. Now, here with the parentheses, that one has the higher priority. 37, leave it alone. Be patient. Leave it alone. Now, inside 4 plus 6, that will give us 10. That's easy. And then divided by 2. And here, subtract. We have an addition and the division, so we need to do division first. 9 divided by 3 is 3. Okay, so what we did for the first step is we got 10 from here. We got 9 divided by 3 is 3. All right, now keep working. Division, subtraction, division first. Copy the rest of them, be patient, copy it. And then here will be 5. And then subtract 1 plus 3, everyone knows that. Okay, and what do we get? 37 minus 5, 32, subtract 4. Final answer, 28. Do we have a 28? Very nice, 28. Second one. So let's put 22 here. 22, we have a 10 on numerator plus absolute value. 15 minus 5 divided by 13 minus 1. Absolute value, you do absolute value first. 15 minus 5 is 10. Choose the absolute value, you have a 10. Downstairs is 13 minus 1, that's 12. So you have then upstairs 20, 10 plus 10. And here is 12 downstairs. We're going to reduce it. So 20 is 2 times 2 times 5. And the 12 is 2 times 2 times 3. What do we get? We get a lot of consolations here. So you have this 2 times 2 is 4. Cancel this, 2 times 2 is 4. So it's 5 over 3. Do we need mixed number? It sounds like we do not. need to change it. 503. That's it. 23. Now, keep going. 23. 23, we have a 3 over 8 times 4 over 5, subtract 1/2. So you're going to do is inside first. So inside is 2 denominators are not the same, but we need to make it. So this one 5 needs 2, and this 2 needs 5. That's it. Very easy. 8 over 3. And then downstairs, 2 times 2, you got 10. Leave it alone. Upstairs, 2 times 4 is 8. Minus 5. 1 times 5 is 5. What do we get? 3 over 8 times 3 over 10. It sounds like we cannot cancel anything. That's fine. 3 times 3 is 9. 8 times 10 is 80. Do we have one here? Great. 9 over 8. That's when we need it. Yeah, keep going. Now, order of operations. 24. We need to do is 6 over 7, subtract 2 over 7. That's good. Denominators are the same. Divided by 1/2. Denominators are the same. You only do the subtraction on numerator. So you have a 4 over 7 divided by 1/2. Division, change it to multiplication. So flip it. 2 over 1. Well, 2 over 1 is just 2. And 2 times 4 is 8. And 1 times 7 is 7. Do we have a number like this? Right here. 8 over 7. 25. Question 25. That sounds a little bit complicated, but it is really not. Subtract 1/8. Inside is 1 over 4. You see, I wrote a little bit far away. You may want to do the same. And then 4 over 5. Okay. Now, to add those two together, what do we need? 1/4 plus 4 over 5. So here, apparently, you need 5. Here you need what? You need this denominator, right? So 4 over 4. This then will make denominators be the same. 5 over 8 minus 1/8. So I copied the question wrong. Again, you may wonder where that 8 came from. It's not 8. It's I copied it wrong. Here was 6. I'm glad I checked. So here is 6. Okay. 5 over 8, subtract 1/6. And here we have 1/4, 4 over 5. Great. Okay. Now, denominators are the same. So we have a 20. Then we only need to add numerators. That's what? 5 plus 16, huh? Okay. So here is multiplication. All right. Double check. Oh, very careful. Very careful. Okay, looks like we are in good shape. Okay, keep going. And then you copy 5 over 8 and then subtract. Let me write this subtraction a little bit far away. So right here, subtract 1 over 6. And then here you have a 21 over 20. So 20 here is 6. You will know the denominator for this one is 120. 120. Okay, you know this one. 6 times 20 is 120. Okay. Let's see if we can do something right here. Because I do not want denominator to be big. So you see, you want to do like that. Here is multiplication. So 21, you want to split that. This one, split that into 3 times 7. Okay. And here, 6 is 2 times 3. And then you know 3 can be cancelled, right? You know 3 can be cancelled. Okay, so what do we get? 5 over 8, copied. Always patient. And then 3 cancelled. What's left upstairs? 1 times 7. Downstairs, 2 times 20. Is that 40? This will make denominator smaller. Okay, now you want to do is add those two fractions together. 40 divided by 8 is 5. So what do we need here? We need 5. Okay, this will make denominators be the same. 5 times 8 is 40. Upstairs, 5 times 5, 25, minus 7. What do we get? Is that 18 over 40? And then you reduce it. To reduce that, how much can we reduce? Divided by 2 here and here. You have a 9 upstairs, 20 downstairs. Do we have a number here? Too bad. Or too good. We do have one right here. That's the one. 9 over 20. Okay? Probably the last one. 26. 26, we have a 1/2. Then choose squared. Times 6 over 7. 1 over 7. 1/2 squared is 1/2 times 1/2. Okay? So then you have a 1/4. Now, denominators are the same. You keep it. 6 minus 1 is 5. What do we get? 1 times 5 is 5. 4 times 7, 28. 5 over 28. Do we have 1 here? right here. All right. See you next time.